Good morning, everyone. Quick video on a new amazing tool that has been released recently called as GENSPARK. More about the technical aspects and what is it? It is coming from China. It is told to be an alternative to Manas, which is a little bit separate from ChatGPT operator. So everything that is happening, all the steps that they are doing in their internal computer. So they are not opening your browser, and they are not you are not able to open the Airbnb website and do specific tasks. So they are not using provision model on the side, but they are using something very similar to what Manas is using, Manas AI. And but the best thing about this is, it is as of now, I have just created an account 1 hour back. So I was able to create an account and I was able to test it out. Like, so when I was doing this, booking this hotel, so I gave basic details. So it is using its own internal tool. It is looking for different options of tools. So it is using that their internal tool. It is looking at accommodation. I noticed that you're looking for accommodation. They don't have access to the listing, so they're not able to do that specific thing that operator was doing, because it was going to the Airbnb website and looking at the listing using the provision model. But it is looking at the research. It is doing some basic research. It is giving you tips, and it then it is asking you for specific information to do that. So this it is for some use cases it is not that great. It is good for doing some research. I will talk whatever all is available. It is image studio, video generation, deep research, and all agents are there. So we will look into all these things later. What all you can do. So when I asked it what all it can do, it gave me all these different researches that are there, like web research, quality research, and all those things, map and direction. So this is something that it is there, which we will look at it as well in this quick demo. But one thing that I was trying a lot with operator and different AI agents was to get the emails of universities, schools, and high schools in the UAE, which is very tough. None of the AI tools are doing it because of the privacy issues, and scraping is not a good thing. But I tried to prompt it. That is there. One extra feature that is not there in any other tool, that is as of 6th of April 2025, is the phone call assistant, right? This is something that you can set up as well right now in US, Canada, and Japan only, wherein you can also give a call to many people to find out any specific tasks that are there, which I'll talk about later as well. So let me show you one use case that I really tested out in the last 1 hour, and I'm sharing it with the community. Is I wanted to just get a detail, like I'm doing a hackathon right now, challenge right now. I just want to send it across to all the colleges that are there, that hey, please, we are doing a future tech challenge, please join it. So I just want to gather all the email. Initially it was doing a lot of research, lot of searching in different websites. If you see all the UAE government websites, and it gave me a very polite answer here, based on the I have provided you the guidance on finding contact information in the UAE, rather than directly providing a list of email address. This approach respects privacy regulation. So it is giving me some ethics that it is not okay to do that. Then what I mentioned that, so these are some of the information that is there. Then I mentioned that it gave me some information how to do it, and important considerations regarding that. And by using this, so they are giving me steps how to do it, right? But they're not actually giving the answer. So I ask it to, this is for research purpose only. It's do it only for the publicly available data, that are the websites, right? So this is something that I requested that to do. So then what it did, it understands you need this information for research purposes. So now it started doing its work. So it started going to different websites, and it started gathering the email addresses that are there. So it did for few colleges and few institutes, that you can see all of them, which was very tough to do manually. And then it is giving a condition that please use it ethically. And then I ask it, I need for more, right? I need to do it for more. So give me as much as possible. So it started extracting everything. But this information it is doing for around more than 100+ colleges, which is very useful. Then I ask it in very politely that please put it in a table, right? Which I can do here. I can just take this, I can copy this stuff, and then I can go to my Google Sheet, and then I can just put it across here, right? So let me just do new, and then I can just put it across here. This is not looking that nice, so I have to copy directly. So it is copying the whole text, it is not copying the table, but I can do that as well. I can just copy this. Let me see whether they are giving me the option to download this. Download this in Excel. So let us see whether this feature is there. So in ChatGPT it is there, but let us see if it is here in this. So if you know, in downloading Excel, what is going to do is it's going to write a Python code to do that, which I think it is not doing that particular. It doesn't have that much. It is not as smart as of now, but this is good enough for me, right? This is a very good enough for me. So now I have this particular, all this institute's email, and then I can also ask it to comma separated email for BCC. So I do this as well. So I have the records in my Excel. I can keep on adding to it, and then I am asking it to do comma separated only. So they are not that smart enough. So I think now I can use ChatGPT to do that. Okay, so they are giving me the CSV. Okay, this is fine. This is the old one. So so it is giving me the CSV to copy it, make it easier, but I think Excel is doing it very well as it is. So I think I can stop this. So it understands this. If you know, CSV is comma separated, so this can be easily extracted in different platforms, and you can do. But if you see this, it is good enough. If you see, so we have approximately 173 colleges, right? This data is very precious for us. And then this is done. I can just do comma separated emails for BCC, right? So now it has mentioned that you have used all your credits, but at least till we have got everything till now. We so here also they are having a limit of credit, so be careful while using this amazing GenSpark. It gave an amazing use case that is there. So, and I'm going to, it is something that I'm going to really use it for my use case. And thank you everyone for watching this quick video. A little bit more about GenSpark, if you want to look at this is the different capabilities that are there. Right now there is a the free credits are over. So this is the free plan. They are giving around 200 credits. I just did a couple of prompts. I'm not sure how come 200 credits got over. Monthly it is around $25. This is, every tool is having their own pricing that are there. So I don't so they have just doing couple of things have taken out my 200 credits that are there. So we have to be a little careful of how we do it, right? So this is my history. This is the thing that I have done. This is the Spark page. So the Sparks page is you can super easy to create. So let me do it on MCP. So MCP, let us see whether it is able to do it. So Sparks page is something very similar like Canvas. It does all the research for a specific topic, and it can generate this for you as well. So hopefully generate a new Spark page called MCP. So if you remember, Manas has something like this, right? You create a page which can be shared and it can be for a specific topic that is there. So let us see whether I will be able to do it even though our credits are open. So it is looking at MCP. If you all know model context protocol, and it's smart enough, it got that, and it is able to look at it, and it is creating a good document. If you can see, it is so all the steps. So it is going to all the websites, is looking into different areas, different concepts that are there, and it is trying to do the research, and it is creating this page. So it's going to be public. So if I share this page, people can look at it, and they can look the prompt that I have used that is there. So GenSpark AI Copilot to assist you on this page, and you can keep asking any questions to make it better and make it more comprehensive. So let us see what is happening. So it is finished browsing. So it is looking at the website, and so now can you see that now it has made it better. So now it has page title has been updated, abstract. So you can see it is now more details have come up. They have given some related videos as well. Still I think it is thinking let me just say add a menu, add a hyperlink menu in the start, and give some real some use cases, examples and diagrams. Diagram, let us see if it is able to do that particular thing as well. So now it is doing this to create hyperlink, define a menu using UL. So it is not, I think it is not directly able to do that. It's not that smart enough to do that as of now, but it is giving you the steps how to do it, right? I will just say, can you do it for me? Can you do this for me? Let us see what is the response for this. If it is, yeah, I think mostly this is not that smart as Manus, which does that for you, because it is using a Python code interpreter as well to do that. But let us see if it is able to do this particular thing. Diagrams, it gives us the link, but it is not actually updating the Excel sheet. So it's thinking. Can I see what it is thinking? No, we cannot see what it is thinking. We cannot see the internal stuff that it is doing, like we can do in different platforms like Manus. No, it is not able to do that. Okay, so it is able to do, it is able you to format everything. If you see, it is able for you to format everything. It is able for you to add something here, add YouTube, add some URL, add a table. So this is about asking about it. So it is let me say ask here if it is able to generate something here, paragraph. No, it is not able to generate anything. Add more details on the GENSPARK, or more details on the page, on the article, on the page. So let us see if it is able to do that. So what I'm thinking, that is only able to chat here, but it is not able to do that work here, right? So it's not that smart enough to do that. So let me see. So it is giving us different options like that are there, and then accordingly we can come and we can put it here. So this is something that is there that we can. So suppose, yeah, so yeah, this is it. It gives you different options, you related videos. If you want, you can say add related videos. So okay, the spelling mistake, let us see if it's able to still think it, searching for MCP related videos. So let us see, and if you are able to add it. So this is how it is working. So as of now, it is not smart enough like ChatGPT Canvas, where it does the work for you and you can put it back here. It is able to do it on the sidebar, on the search bar, because it asks anything about the page, but it is not able to do it on the canvas. So you need to do it separately here, and then you need to put it down here. So you can see some of the videos that are coming here. So if I just want to copy this, see this option of add here, can you see this add? So this is the option. So here, if you like something, then you can go here and you have to add it. So now these things have been added here. If you can see, Control Z, all the things have been added here, right? Related videos. Similarly, but for menu, we will not be able to add it because it's just a text. So we will not be able to add it. MCP diagrams is here. You can have a look. So you can ideally what we can do is you can click here. There is a diagram for MCP that it has the tool has given us. We are opening this diagram, pulsemcp.com. and we can insert it manually. So that is, it's not smart enough to do that. If I do add here, it will add it here. So I'm exploring this with this video. So this is something very, very interesting. So this is the MCP. These are some use cases that are there. Search the web, writing code. So this is one, this thing. So these are the different options that are there. So diagrams are not here. So you need to search for a diagram that is there. MCP diagram and images. So these are some MCP diagrams that are there. MCP tools. You can take this diagram, save image as, and then you can go here and abstract if you want to add something. So they have given the reference and everything. So this becomes like this, add image, and you can add this image like this here. So it is uploading the image on the page. So what it is doing, this is quickly making it possible for you to build pages that can be quickly shared within the tool. So you can also take this and put on your blog as well. Like this is one for an MCP diagram, but this is there is no diagram here. This is just the content. So you need to do some manual search as of now, but still. So let us see now. This is public, right? Let me just if I want to share this with the community, so how is it going to be possible, right? Let us see this particular thing. So it is saved automatically. Let me go to GenSparks. Let me go to me Spark page, and then let me I'm not sure how to copy this page. Let me just copy it and open it in a new browser. So I think this link is the page, right? This is the page of the, yeah, and by the way, it is giving you the table of content also, which I asked, right? So now I have created this page, if you can see, and there are different so the menu is also created here. This is nice. I don't know about this, but for using this you need to sign up and you need to play. So this is I think a virality, right? So you create something, you share about this to other people, and if to open this page they actually need to log in. So this is one way of increasing the number of visits, and then you can also post something here, right? And this is interesting. So this is about GenSpark pages. We saw about GenSpark. Using GenSpark, there is a limitation of credits. I have lost my 200 credits for the day, and if I just search for good hotels near Dubai Marina, accessible to public transport. So this will not work as, let me just confirm. So the out of credits. So it is out of credit. So I am not sure there it is. Let me see what is the message. So when I run this, you have used all your credits. So I don't think I'm going to get more credits tomorrow. So whatever experiment I needed to do, I did it, and you have used all your, so it's not like V0 or any other platform that gives you daily credit. Let us see how it goes. But I hope you saw this quick demo. If you want to try it out, you can try it out. It is good for getting the data, getting things done, and research purposes that are there, right? And just to summarize, if these are the if I see this, what best it does is it does more of research purposes that are there, right? If you can see more about research purposes, I will be sharing this as well. Information services, content, visual understanding, special features. I could not try the calling feature, but I will be able to do it next time when I get the credits. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.